Adversity is your mental gym. That is where you build your mental muscle. So never be afraid of it. Face it, run towards it, and overcome it.
So someone told me once that there's no point making films for an empty cinema hall.
Right.
You know, which there really isn't. Be brave, of course. You know, take risks and follow your heart and do what your heart tells you. I mean, I've also done films where I have been questioned. Like people were like, "Why would you do that?" You know, but my heart was in it, and I thought it was going to be fun, and I did it.
He's very happy that it's broken the Krish 3 ka first day record. He's happy because of that. His aim was that. So we've broken the Krish 3 record, which is good for me also. It's a huge record, I think.
But it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I hope this goes down as an example, in history that as an industry we stand united. We stand for each other, and there is all the talk of animosity and rivalry and all those kind of things. That is something that I'm trying to set an example to disempower that kind of belief system, because it does not exist. At the core of us all, we as human beings are greater than our films. We are greater than the money. We are greater than the fame. We are here as human beings to make a beautiful world, and we are here for each other. And this is what this is all about, actually. You can see it in any way you want. You can see it as a promotional strategy. You can see it as intelligent. But at the core of it, what is actually happening? People are giving and receiving love. That's all that's happening. And that should go down in history as an example for the world. Pressure of expectation. Pressure is very, very good. Pressure is needed to evolve into the strong person that you are supposed to be. Every man's journey is about pressure. No pressure, no diamonds. So if you want to be the best that you can be, never be afraid of the pressure. That pressure is your mental gym. For the physical gym, we go to the gym. Right, you work out with weights. Adversity is your mental gym. That is where you build your mental muscle. So never be afraid of it. Face it, run towards it, and overcome it.
Not all the time, but in some ways me and Hrithik have a lot of similarities in the way we approach work, in the way we approach dancing. His funda of working is really about putting in and trying to create. It's not just kind of sitting back and letting the director create an ambience or create an atmosphere, and you kind of, you follow along with them. Of course he does that as well, but I think it is really about, okay, what can I add here? How can I make this better? And I guess also he's done a lot of physical films, a lot of action films, where a lot of how you come across is in your own hands. Your strength, your look, your physique. So that's really in your own hands. So I guess you have to put in that more extra work.
If you have to look back, you have to look back and label all your weak moments as strength. Because it is only through those moments where you're faced with challenges, it's those moments which are the opportunity to build strength. And this journey has truly been a strength building process for all of us. And we are finally here. It's a victorious journey. And now it is about entertainment. Now go have fun. Watch the film on the 2nd of October. And enjoy it.
Talking about the talent part of it, I think you have this unique talent and gift for the fact that you've been delivering constant hits and that to big hits, and Bang Bang is adding to it. Something about this talent, what do you have to say about that? Can we attribute that to your hard work and?
We're stuck on that word, aren't we? I think you can never pick one thing, because if we knew the formula for success, we'd all follow it and we'd all get it right every time. So I don't think that you can pick one thing, or I wouldn't know what the one thing is. Of course, there's many reasons why a film works. But I do feel that in general, even though sometimes I have faced questions for it, I feel in general my instinct for picking a film, or my reasons for picking a film, at least in the way I approach my work, I feel that that's correct. I'm looking for, yes, of course, what I can do, and I'm looking for what I think will challenge me, and a tuning with the director. But the first thing I'm looking for is a film that I would want to see as an audience. Would I want to go on Friday or Saturday or Sunday on my day off when we all live in a world where we don't have much time, would I want to go and see this film? If the answer is not really yes, or if the answer is like, oh, I don't know, maybe, or I'll catch it on DVD, then I know that this is not the film for me to do. You know.
Right.
So I think that desire is kind of what leads me to probably being able to choose films which are audience friendly. And you know, I remember someone told me once that there's no point making films for an empty cinema hall.
Right.
You know, which there really isn't. Be brave, of course. You know, take risks and follow your heart and do what your heart tells you. I mean, I've also done films where I have been questioned. Like people were like, "Why would you do that?" You know, but my heart was in it, and I thought it was going to be fun, and I did it.
My films have got nothing to do with my previous films. I'm an actor, I'm an adventurer, I want to do films that excite me. Instinctively, what my heart desires, I do. So when Sid called me up for this film, I think on the phone itself, in about 5 minutes, मैंने उनको कह दिया था कि I am doing this film because I want to do a film like this. After a very long time, I had not been in that space of like what I had done in Dhoom 2. So I wanted to do something like this. So I like bouncing off, one end of the spectrum to the other end, and have some variety in life. Monotony is very dangerous. You have to kill the monotony before it murders the enthusiasm. So I like to explore. Not just physically, not just with my work, but also explore the world in my mind, to break barriers in my own mind, and through that I break the barriers in my life as well. Physical, mental. I'm giving her a day. She's already prepping for it.
He's very happy that it's broken the Krish 3 ka first day record. He's happy because of that. His aim was that. So we've broken the Krish 3 record, which is good for me also.
It's a huge record, I think.
And he's happy that he keeps saying Krish 3 we broke, kick we broke. So he's happy. He's very
I
happy.
think it's smashed every record this year, I think.
It's not about me. यार मुझे लोग पूछते रहते how do you feel? How do you feel?
It's your film.
I'm feeling great. I'm feeling great. But we also have to remind ourselves that victory जो है it is actually in the journey. जो journey जो रही है of Bang Bang has been the victory itself. But we are still very happy that it's doing really well. It's breaking all records, and we've actually, as I'm talking, I think we are going to pass the 100 crore mark. So
As we speak right now.
which is great. So thank you to all our fans, to all our audience. Thank you.